guys, it's me, Renaissance. I've been away from YouTube uploading really for a short time, only because I've been super busy, and I have a lot of videos that are backlogged in editing. So those will be up soon because I recently just acquired more time to do that, which I will talk about in another video. But I just turned 46 like a week and a half ago. I just took out my human hair braids, and I thought that I was gonna have to like shave my head and start all over again. But I did not have to do that. The human hair that I used to braid my hair was Capelli hair and Capelli braiding hair. That now Capelli's hair on a weft, absolutely superb, wonderful. The braiding hair was very prickly. That's all I have to say. Human hair always like works well for my hair. You know, I have not gone near plastic hair in a really long time, but I have been keeping my eye on all of the new plant-based hair that's coming out, along with what's already been out. I have been dying to have thicker hair, kind of like this photo of my very first headshot ever. I used to always think that I had thin hair, but when I looked at that old photo, I was like, no, I have a lot of hair here. It had thinned out over the years, but it is starting to thicken back up. I just want to talk about one product that I have seen a huge difference on. Guys, the castor oil. I know I'm late, but everything in its timing, right? Because my best friend, she kept saying to me, oh, I use castor oil to grow my eyelashes back. I use castor oil because with all the traveling that I have been doing, my skin issues were really bad. So I just happened to be in White Plains. There's a Whole Foods right across the street, and it just clicked one day, and I was just standing there looking at the castor oil like, I'm gonna buy castor oil today. And I was using it for my face at night, and I noticed that even my eyebrows started to get more hair. The purpose was not to grow my eyebrows back. And then I started putting the castor oil in my hair, and that's where I noticed, especially in this section, both like me, my sister, we get this from our dad. There was really no hair here. Like if I wanted to put a tiny braid on this, I could, but there was no hair here. So I just started basically applying the castor oil to my scalp, and this side, my half right, is my problem area. This, and I just massage it on my scalp. I'm just gonna retwist, but I've been putting the castor oil on my ends, and I've just been doing protective styles and then just wrapping my head. I'm getting my day going. Like, that's crazy to me. The thickness of this part, like the closeness together is what I'm trying to say. Yeah, normally right here, like this is crazy. This is a huge difference. Look at that. This is really filled in. But I've also been doing a lot of other things. My daily supplements, powdered supplements. Finally, I have found my thing. And I've been making lists of products that I have experienced that actually works. Like when I try different products, I want to see results. I don't worry so much about the back. I have moisturized it. Just for today, I'm putting the castor oil just on the front area. So I am amazed at how much my hair has grown back. What is it, 3 years? I used to be like the clarification queen. And once I shaved my head, like in the beginning, it was okay to shampoo as much as I was shampooing because my hair was so short. Then after a while, I realized, especially with all the different kinds of amenities and stuff at the hotels, it's like it's nice when you have some amenities that are free for sure, and some hotels have pretty good quality products, but some do not. And I realized that I was over shampooing and drying. So I have since, in the past 3 years, have become more of a co-washer, and that made all the world of a difference with my hair because I am from the Fine Hair Club. And so when the hair is more fine and less dense, it's easy to pull out all the moisture that it needs by overwashing. Well, in the next video, I will show you guys my makeup technique that I'm doing now that I'm 46. Although I am enjoying the aging process. We have all of the products and creams and things to try out and have fun with, and makeup techniques. I think it's all fun. I'm gonna take these two, tie them together. Tuck it in, and this is what I've been doing. So castor oil, I'm in love with it. I have finally got it. Fingers crossed. You guys have a wonderful, blessed day, and I will see you in the next video. Renaissance signing off.